Hey guys, it's Zhane, and we back to slay. So today I'm bringing you guys a video on my first ever henna experience. So this right here is a 360 view of my hair before the henna treatment. As you can see, it's kind of looking torn out, but here's the after, nice and shiny looking. So if you're interested in seeing how my application process went, my initial reaction, and how the results turned out, then continue watching this video. First thing you're gonna need are some gloves. I got me some latex gloves from my local dollar store.
These fit real snug. I got size small. It's probably the first time I've ever had gloves that actually fit my hands. Mixture. If anything, I would say the strongest smell in this is the methy seeds.
Next thing you're gonna need is a spray bottle. I use mine to lightly mist my hair, just to give it a little bit of lubrication for the application. Now I'm massaging it in, then I'll move to parting my hair. So generally how I part my hair, because it's longer on the top and shorter on the bottom and sides, is I will just make about 4 or 5 parts on top, and then if I do part the bottom of my hair, I'll make maybe 3 parts, but here I don't really even part it. I just kind of work in sections and apply the product as I go along versus parting it how I do on the top. So here's the mask. I would say it has a very grainy, dense, paste-like consistency, and because of the oil, it doesn't really stick to your skin as much, so the staining isn't as effective on your skin, but it still stains your skin. You'll be able to see the actual staining on my gloves eventually throughout the video. It's going to be pretty self-explanatory from here on out. For the back and side portions of my hair, I just apply the mixture from the roots to the ends and then get it out of the way. Only thing I found with this mixture was the fact that it was so grainy and oily at the same time. It would ball up, and then if I applied it to my hair and I didn't press it into my hair enough, it would kind of just like slide or wipe off of my hair. And a lot of times I actually ended up dropping little balls of the mixture all over my carpet. Now for the top portion, I was more inclined to part my hair, so that's what you see me doing. As I take the sections out, I part the hair and I just like apply the mixture from roots to tips as usual. With the remaining product, I just kind of like smooth it into my roots.
Okay, so I just put on my henna mask. I guess it's like hardening right now. I can see the red tinge on my gloves. You guys can see. And because I have low porosity hair, I'm pretty sure it won't take long for the dye deposits to fill in my hair basically. I'm probably gonna leave this on for an hour or two. I'm gonna put on a plastic cap, and then I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like afterward.
So by this time, it's 2 hours later. My hair is pretty much not really drying because of the oil, it's not really watery. So it's just kind of like getting more firm. It was time to wash it out, and I figured it was going to take a while. Plus I had a long process still to go, so I was like, I need to get this out now.
It's now 8:04. I'm gonna wash this henna treatment out of my hair. I have this deep conditioner treatment that I'm gonna put in afterwards because I've read that the hair is typically drier after this treatment. So we're gonna see. When I touch it with my fingers, you can definitely see the color transfer. It's just more oily, but it's not drying. Like the front of my hair has dried more than the back. The back is more oily, but put my gloves back on. The scent of the henna is obviously strong. It's a strong herbal scent. Can I distinguish it between all the other herbal scents? To be honest, no. The texture in my hair is pasty, somewhat grainy. I think the graininess is more so coming from the methy seeds versus the actual henna. I feel like the henna is the more pasty part. It seems like it has elongated my curls. It's not really shrinking up my hair. It's like a mud. Oh, I just realized I'm dropping pieces of henna on the ground. Oh. I'm gonna use warm water just because I know my hair likes warm water. I can already start to see the color. I probably have to do some more rinsing, but whatever. My initial review right after. Okay. My hair is feeling soft. Okay. I can work with it. Okay. My hair is feeling soft. I don't know, because it's not like my hair wasn't soft from before. I'm getting some shedded hair right now. Feeling my hair initially, I would say my hair feels different. It doesn't feel like how it typically feels after wash, but it feels soft. Like, I don't know if like my hair is just feeling woollier. My curls don't look too defined. Yeah, initially like my hair is feeling soft, like no word of a lie. I guess it's feeling stronger too. Like the ends of my hair feel, I think, fuller. Like it's gained a layer. Like yeah, I feel like the henna has coated my hair. Do I see a color difference? Not initially, but maybe it's like one of those things where you have to be in front of the sun. So there's still a bunch of bits and pieces in my hair. I'm just gonna apply this deep conditioner that I have over here, and then I'm gonna just do a thorough wash and get rid of all of that kind of stuff. Ah, shit. Drop some. Not gonna lie, I feel like I want to like separate my hair more, but I'm scared my hair is just gonna like break because it just feels like really strong right now. If that makes any sense. One thing I am noticing is my curls aren't too defined, so maybe that could be attributed to the henna possibly changing or elongating or loosening my natural curl pattern. But we'll see how it is after. Okay guys, I'll be back. I'm probably gonna leave this in my hair for like 30-45 minutes, like probably not too long, because I want to get a go in because this has been an all day process now. Anyways, BRB. Okay yes, my hair is feeling super soft. I just finished my deep conditioning. My hair is dripping wet, but my hair is so soft, guys. Like, believe me. Like, I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, why is my hair so soft? Let's be real. I know why my hair is soft, but damn. It took me a while to wash that concoction out of my hair, I'm not gonna lie. But my hair's, the roots of my hair mainly, feeling uber soft. So my curls are looking right after. I'm gonna put some aloe vera in my hair, and I'm most likely going to seal it in with my oil concoction mixture that I have. Yeah, guys, like first henna treatment I would say was a success. Success. But I guess like my hair curls are defined somewhat, while the roots aren't that defined. My hair is so soft. But while the softness is here, I'm gonna like seal it in with some moisture and oil. I'm not trying to have it dry like this, then it just turned into a big hot mess. Okay, so I guess I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after it's twisted up. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Zhane and we back to slay. It's the next day and I'm gonna be heading to work soon. So I figured I'd just take out my hair on camera so you guys could see the results. Yesterday I ended up putting flaxseed gel on my hair right following the henna treatment. And then I sealed it in with some honey and oils for my ends. So that's what's on my hair right now, if you guys are interested. So yeah, watch me take out my hair. Okay guys, these are my final results. That's what my hair is looking like. I'm really liking it. The definition is good. It feels soft. still. The hold is good. Yeah. So I'm gonna say first time henna treatment, and I would say it was a success. I don't know if it's the flaxseed gel, the honey. I use honey on all the parts of my hair except for this part right here, the braid that was right here. So it's a little bit more frizzy in comparison to the other spots, but yeah, I'm satisfied, guys. Gotta get going because I gotta go to work. Okay, bye.